Here I've got NUBIA Z17 Lite, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see here, we've got both IMEI numbers right in front of you. Click on OK to go back, and now we will open both IMEI number and also serial number for the settings. So at first you have to locate and open the settings. Then scroll down, find and pick About Phone, and here just click on the status. And as you can see under IMEI information, you can come along with both IMEI numbers assigned to your device, and a bit lower you've got a serial number that is assigned to your NUBIA Z17 Lite. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.